Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of the Philips surge protector, a protector that comes with a 50,000 euros connected equipment with limited warranty. I guess this is a must-see, and if this is an indication of the quality of this product, of course we protect our valuable devices. We have a total of 6 AC ports. Also we have USB-C and Type USB-A ports on this side of the surge protector. So without further ado, let's check the specs really quickly. So we have it here in various languages, and the specs are also here. You can also find them at the description of this video, and more languages here on this side. You can also visit their website for more information, and that's all in the box. Here we have some more information for their website. Okay, let's unbox it and check the product itself. We must break these seals here. Okay, this is just a simple cut you can make to the cardboard of this box. And we can also remove it like that, and it's open. So let us bring the product out like that. Now, limited documentation here. We have all this small leaflet. So let's check this out really quickly. Here this side has nothing. Okay, actually this is an installation guide in various languages. We have various languages here and nothing on the back. So let us put that aside and check the product itself. Here we have a total of 5 USB ports. The first one is a USB Type-C and the other was Type-A. Power and surge protection indication LED in the center. 4 AC ports here and another couple here for a total of 6. Now on the rear side we have some specification from Philips, some mounting holes at the 4 edges and some rubberized feet. The device can be turned on by this switch that has a power LED off and on, and another one red key here with a great tactile feel. Other than that, we have a fairly long cable. Now this is great. This is a braided cable which is really nice to the feel and adds to the quality of this product. So let us unfold this one and check its full length. After all, it's a total of 2 meters long. So there we have it. As you can see, this is really nice. This will get less tangled than the ordinary cable of a power socket. So this is great. This was the unboxing of the Philips surge protector. Leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.